How are you guys? You're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi, and this video I'm going to talk about smartphones you can buy in your budget. I'm going to talk about the 40,000 rupee price range first, and then we're going to go down to the 10,000 rupee price segment as well. Let's begin. So under 40,000 rupees, there are many smartphones, but the topmost that comes to my mind is the OnePlus 60. It is one of the best smartphone you can buy right now that gives you great camera, great hardware, and great software experience as well. The design is latest with a drop style notch, and you also get an in-display fingerprint scanner. So in terms of features, hardware and value for money, the OnePlus 60 is the best phone you can buy. But many of you have asked me if Pixel 2 is a better buy. So here is the deal. The phone is available at 35,000 rupees, and if you compare it with the OnePlus 60, you definitely get better cameras and a better software experience. Although both run nearly stock Android experience, you do get software directly from Google, and there is a lot of artificial intelligence based features that are present on the Pixel 2. Like it can detect what song is playing in the background, the camera can detect many scenes, and it customizes the photos according to the scene you are shooting. So in terms of camera and software, the Pixel 2 is way more advanced compared to the OnePlus 60. Also you get dual speakers, so that is also a plus point. But the display on OnePlus 60 is much better, and the overall design is more latest. So if you would want that, go for the OnePlus 60. But if you're more into the software experience and you want much better cameras, go for the Pixel 2. Next, if you talk about under 30,000 rupees, most lists on the internet will tell you that you should buy the Asus Zenfone 5Z or even the Poco F1, which is around 25,000 rupees, or even lesser if you buy the base variant. But if you're spending about 30,000 rupees, I will suggest you buy the LG G7 ThinQ. These two phones anyways don't run stock Android interface, so you will be buying a phone that has a skin on top of the basic Android. But what you get on the LG G7 ThinQ is a lot of features that will make you a value for money buy. For example, the phone is IP68 water and dust resistant. It has amazing display that has great brightness levels and quad HD resolution, and is also HDR10 compliant. The cameras no doubt are best among the price segment. They can record 4K videos, and you also get a wide angle camera to go with that also has good picture quality. The phone has a metal and glass design, supports fast charging, and is very handy to use. So I'll suggest you buy the LG G7 ThinQ if you are hovering around that price segment. But if not, you can definitely go for the base variant of the Poco F1 that will cost you about 22,000 rupees. And you also can take a look at the Vivo V11 Pro that I've been using since quite a long time. It also offers very smooth experience, is lightweight, and has an IR based face recognition. So unlocking is very smooth on that device. Now I've divided the under 20,000 rupee price segment to 10 to 15,000 and 15 to 20,000 rupees. And under 15 to 20,000 rupees, there are two phones to select from: the Nokia 6.1 Plus or the Motorola One Power. And I would suggest you buy the Motorola One Power if you have no problem with the weight or the size of the smartphone. It is bulky and big, but it has a bigger battery that supports fast charging. So in the same charging time, you get a backup of about 2 days. Also, the software is cleaner, the cameras are slightly better, and you also get Motorola's gesture features that are really amazing. You can just shake the phone to turn on the flashlight, and that comes in really handy. If you don't really like very big and bulky phones, the Nokia 6.1 Plus is definitely the phone you should go for. Now in the 10 to 15,000 rupee price segment, you should go for the Realme 2 Pro. It has great display, great cameras, great battery backup, and the design is also quite nice looking for that price point. It definitely doesn't feel a 13,000 rupee smartphone. The only thing that I don't like about that phone is the interface. It's the Oppo's Color OS, which has a lot of customizations, a lot of third-party apps and features that I don't like. And there are things like you cannot swipe to delete a notification. All these things are much easier to handle on the stock Android interface. So if you don't like all that, you can skip the Realme 2 Pro and buy the Nokia 6.1 Plus or the Motorola One Power instead. But if that is not a concern, the Realme 2 Pro is the best phone you can buy under 15,000 rupees. Now talking about the under 10,000 rupees segment, it's quite tricky, and I would not suggest you buy any of the phones in that price segment. I suggest you spend 2,000 rupees extra probably to buy the Realme U1 that comes at 11,999, has great cameras, latest design, and also offers you a great, sharp, vibrant and bright display. Because if you take a look at options available under 10,000, they are either underpowered or they are old generation. For example, the Redmi 6, I felt it is a very underpowered smartphone and doesn't offer you a very smooth experience. And if you go for the Redmi Y2 or the Redmi Note 5, they are older generation smartphones and you would be not getting latest software or latest hardware features. If anyways you're looking to spend less than 7,000 rupees, you can take a look at the 10 or D2. It is a well-balanced smartphone and is available on Amazon right now at about 5,000 rupees. So if you're looking for a very basic 4G smartphone that offers dual SIM and would run WhatsApp, Facebook and many other applications with ease, you can definitely check out the 10 or D2. Our experience with that smartphone was quite good for the price it comes at. So this was my list of top smartphones you can buy under 40,000 rupees. Let me know which phone you're planning to buy and why in the comment section below. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.